Hi everyone, my name is Seelan. I'm from Singapore, representing Topan Aquaria. It's such a privilege to be invited here to PFC as a speaker. I want to thank Telecom Fiji, especially Charles, for inviting me here. And this is my first time here. I'm really super excited to be able to interact with so many people that's shaping the digital economy here in the Pacific. This morning I spoke a little bit about how we can use digital identity as a foundation of trust to connect up an ecosystem of digital services and powered by AI.
I'm Raj Dev. I'm a consultant. I'm attending the Fiji Fiber Conference 2026 here. It's a very good venue because it's good to give us an opportunity to meet the vendors and the operators and share plans of what's happening, especially in the AI space. I really enjoyed the output so far. They're very good presentations by the vendors. So it will give us a complete picture of what's happening in the AI space, especially how telecommunication is gearing up to support the AI innovation. Thank you.
Hi, aloha. My name is Brian Moon, CEO of the Pacific Telecommunications Council. I want to congratulate the Pacific Fiber Conference on its second edition here in Nadi, Fiji. Congratulations all. Looking forward to a great 2 days.
AI, though AI is good, I am pro AI, but right now it is industrializing exploit generation.
The fiber shortage thing. So will that impact the growth, of course, I think, in the industry?
I think on the FTTH side, there are certainly indications that certain markets have put on hold their plans to expand and extend their FTTH markets.
From yesterday's session, I think what we saw and a number of speakers rightfully pointed out was that, yes, AI is the talk of the town, but without connectivity being the backbone of it, you wouldn't have AI today as it is.
From the network's point of view, and by network it's not just the mobile network, but also fixed network, satellite networks and other networks, transformation, redefinition is not new. Right? Like those of us who have been in the journey for the last 2-3 decades, we know that network has transformed itself continuously.
For small island nation of population around 20,000 people, 11,000 people, we have to represent the Pacific from one end of the spectrum to another end of the spectrum. And today I'm going to give you just an overview of how we do it in Tuvalu.
Good day everyone, my name is Matthew Zara from Viavi Solutions, and we're here today at the Pacific Fiber Conference. This is our second year at the conference. We came back because we love the atmosphere, we love the participation here with all the attendees. Yesterday we also provided some technology training, very well received. There's so much happening in the Pacific at the moment in our industry, and we're going to be here next year again, and we hope to see you there too. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Andy Edwards from Comms Learning. I'm here at the Pacific Fiber Conference. We ran a great training session yesterday for about 30 plus delegates on fiber fundamentals, how to install and then how to test fiber networks. It's been a really useful event. Everybody seemed to enjoy the training, and the networking is fantastic. The stands that I'm looking at around me are impressive, and it's been really good to attend this. I'm certainly looking forward to next year's session and keeping involved with it. So yeah, thanks everybody for involving Comms Learning, and yeah, I look forward to doing this again.
Naka. My name is Esther Momoa. I'm a final year student of Fiji National University, doing my Bachelor of Science in Agriculture.
And my name is Mrinmay. I'm a mechanical engineering graduate from USP and currently working as a production engineer at Tube Makers. And one of the main key takeaways from this conference here is that we live in an interconnected world and we all should work together in bringing AI to the Pacific. One of the things I enjoyed most in this conference yesterday was we learned how to splice a fiber optics cable, which I got to do hands-on experience. So we'd like to thank the conference for such a lovely opportunity for each one of us.
Yes, I second that. I enjoyed myself at this fiber conference this year. So many key takeaways. Enjoyed listening to everyone here. I have a newfound appreciation for this industry and everyone that works in it. And I'd encourage other younger girls in this industry to register and also be part of this event. Naka.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Wes Oxley from Hexatronic. I'm the head of sales for Oceania. Great event to be back up here in Fiji again. I want to make sure to thank the Fibre Council for putting on another great event, and obviously TFL for doing all the hard work in bringing it together. We look forward to coming up here every year and can't wait to come back. Thanks, guys.